Hi, this is Everett Abrams, Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises, the Wizard of Wood. I'm here today talking about some mahogany deck restoration and repair that we're doing. Typical job of what we do with DRP and Deck Restoration Plus. So here you see some repairs that we've done. Most of the steps, they wick up some moisture. They have to get replaced over time. This deck's over 20 years old in mahogany, but as you can tell, it looks really good. The color's coming out real nice. I'll tell you how we do that. On this one, we're not using our Deck Restoration Plus deck and wood stain. We're actually using Mesmers, and Mesmers is what we use when we use an oil. They do a really good job with their hardwood formula. It's really good on the Ipe and the mahoganies. And you can see, it really is nice tone and color. Now what we do is, they really have two colors with this. They have the red mahogany and they have the natural. So what we do for maintenance is, we'll actually cut it 50-50. So half red mahogany and half